everyone. We're doing another fidget spinner video. What? Yeah, we're doing another fidget spinner video, turns out. Now, what should we start off first? These are all new fidget spinners, by the way, so don't be impressed. I think we should start out. I think we should start out with this one. This, I don't know what it's called, but it's in an oval. It's not really balanced, but it's kind of balanced. If it was a lot. It screws on is the problem. Fidget spinners with screws, when you spin it, it's just, I barely played with this and it stops spinning. It stops spinning. I thought you were gonna be worth it. Look. If you spin it this way, it just stops. What? No. I only can spin it this way. Guys, are you still there? Did I hurt you? No. You only can spin it this way, not this way, or else it'll stop. Cause the caps are a little bit too big. It can move up and down, cause see? It needs to be like the perfect size so it can just spin. Look. Then it stops. But if I do it this way, it spins. It spins. Next spinner. What's this? You don't know what's this, right? But this is actually a Bluetooth LED. It has a little switch to turn it on. It has a charger. It has a speaker. Plus when I turn it on, look at it. Now it's connected to my phone, but wait, you don't want that. So I'm gonna connect it to my iPad. My iPad's finally working. Crossy road. Just Bluetooth. Come on. Connect. Connect. You know. Connect. Connect. It's a con with an act. Just connect. Connect. Okay, then whatever. Guess it doesn't want to connect to it, but yeah. This Bluetooth spinner, when you spin it and play a song, when it's like squeaky parts, it like kind of like slides over, so it makes it like, if it's like and then it's like it's like that if you spin it. But if you don't spin it, it makes the regular song sounds good. It sounds good, but sometimes it's quiet. I think this is good for like this. It works on my Samsung, any kind of Android, and any kind of iPad, iPhone, any kind of thing. It works for almost anything that is electronics, but not Xbox, not Xbox or PlayStations. Or whatever. And let me turn this on. Bluetooth spinner. Now, you don't know what's next. Oh, by the way, if you see my arm, I got lots of bug bites. Or maybe it's just, maybe it's just maybe. What do I call that? What do I call that? Oh yeah, maybe it's just allergy. Look at this. It's a mini panda one. Spin it. Oh my gosh. This spins smoothly. Plus, it has a panda face. Duh. Who wouldn't want a panda face, right? Like, right. Who wouldn't want a panda face? Oh yeah, forgot to show you the case. The case is like this. And the one I've been waiting for. You might have seen this on a video, but I'll just do it again for you if you've never seen this one before. This one. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this. Before I thought these were magnets, but I still think so, they're magnets, but they don't stick to anything. They only, if you repel something to it, it sticks for some reason. So just say, if this is going south, if the magnet is going south, turn the magnet south, then it sticks. It doesn't repel. It's supposed to repel. That fidget spinner. The fidget spinner. This one comes with no case. Now, on to my favorite spinner. Well, it's not the last spinner, but it's my favorite spinner. This is a special blue one. Blue one? Wait, what? Why did it say blue one? Cut, 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 cut. This is a special bullet one. And look how it spins. It's a bullet one. Can you believe it? It's a special bullet one. And look at it. There you go. Now. You can see my mouth through it, right? Comment down below if you can see my mouth through it. Yeah! Yeah, boy! Yeah, boy! Why is this one on? This is a sucky one. Look at it. Then it lights up. I'll show you in the dark. Wait. I need something to make it stand up. I need something to make it stand up. Ah! iPad, you failed me. Make it stand up for everyone. There you go. There you go. Now look. Could you see it? Could you see it? Yeah, this is that one. Then it'll stop eventually. Next one. This one's my last favorite, look. This one has 3 modes. Button, button, and button. Yep. I'll show you each one of the modes. Yeah. Each one of the modes. This is mode 1. Mode 1. And it will also last forever, but the batteries might break because the batteries don't last forever. Remember that. Did you see that? And then onto mode 2. Excuse me. Mode 2. Mode 2, mode 2, mode 2. Do you see mode 2? Same thing but a little bit slower. See it? And then mode 3. 1, 2, 3. Mode 3, way more slower. Do you see it? It's like so much more slower. It's like so slow. So this I didn't realize that. This spinner actually has a fidget spinner logo on each one. That's cool. You know what I hate about fidget? You know what I hate about fidget spinners? They design one side, but they don't design on the other side. It's like, what? Why does that even exist? They don't design the other side, but they only design one side. That's weird. And then on to my second favorite. That was my third favorite. This is my second favorite. The black one, same. 3 modes. Yep, 3 modes. Same as that concept. And then I got the army one. The camouflage one. Same one, 3 buttons. Well, 3 modes and 3 buttons. Does the exact same thing. That was my first favorite one. And look at this metal one, shiny pink. Spin. Do you hear this? If you're not a fan of a shaking noise, don't get this. Maraca. The next one is this. It's the star. What if you just throw this while it's spinning into the air and you left it on top of a rocket ship, it landed there, then it flew off the rocket ship, then it was in outer space, then it looked like a shining star? That would be so weird. But it actually hit a star. Then a regular star just exploded into a nowhere, then turns into a falling star. That would be like all 3 concepts at once. Oh, look at this. If you block these 2, if you block this one and this one, it will be an arrow. It will be an arrow pointing. Spinning. It's really balanced. But one thing, the balls don't move because it's I don't know what's that. Because it's made with the fidget spinner. On to the last one. I got this one. spin it, stop it. Spin it, stop it. Spin it, stop it. Spin it, spin it. It looks like it's going this way, then reversing to the other way. See? And then now it's going that way, but it's actually going this way. Hallucination. What if you throw this at a mannequin, then it actually went through the mannequin? Oh, that would be so weird. A fidget spinner versus mannequin. I think I might give some people some ideas. Backpack, stop ruining my legs. They're making my legs uncomfortable. Oh. But these are different colors. But one thing, these don't glow in the dark. Plus, they're not LED. Make some LED. How about? Make a button that turns all three at once and have 2 modes, or 1 mode if you're lazy. Why does this just have color? It's not even glow in the dark too. It's not glow in the dark, it's not LED. Before I thought it was glow in the dark, so I put this next to the light. I actually got this at Toys R Us. I got this at Toys R Us. Yeah. And if you like this video, leave a cap up, aka thumbs up, cause it's like you're holding a soda but popping the lid off. Get it? Now you know that. Now you know that saying. I'm probably gonna be saying leave a cap on this video if you like, you know that. Leave a cap on. This is too funny. It sounds weird. Leave a cap on this video. Cut. Oh. Leave a like on this video if you like me making more fidget. Why can't I say it? Cut. Leave a like on this video if you like me doing more fidget spinners. There you go. Doing more fidget spinner videos. And I finally nailed it. And peace out. Wait. Why didn't I do that? Peace out.